The Meitei organizations located at various places of the world observe the May 3 as Manipur in Mourning. Manipur in Mourning Call for Justice is a global solidarity event jointly organized by various Meitei organizations worldwide on May 3, 2024 to mark 1 year of the ongoing Manipur crisis. On this somber occasion, we wish to deconstruct the malicious global misinformation propagated by the Chinkuki settler colonialists who initiated the conflict. They have spun a sinister web of lies obscuring the true genesis and the root causes of the present conflict, while squarely blaming the Meiteis, the true victims of Chinkuki, whose secret agenda is the creation of an exclusive Jaliangam. We Meiteis are the real victims of cross-border terrorism that is a threat to India's national security. We have been misrepresented, humiliated, targeted, unprotected, and denied timely justice. The root cause of the Manipur crisis is the nefarious trifecta of illegal immigration, poppy plantation for illicit drug trade, and armed Chinkuki militancy. Furthermore, we also wish to demand immediate and proactive intervention from the concerned authorities to end the vicious cycle of violence that has engulfed Manipur. We have been enduring the perceived indifference or reluctance for a year, and the time has now come for a more concrete and targeted approach to resolve the situation. We therefore rise up on the occasion of 1 year today and call for justice, to demand that normalcy and peaceful coexistence be restored once again in Manipur.